In this video, I'm going to show you how to share system audio in Google Meet. Now take note that this is the method that works as of the moment. Now sooner or later, it might get updated, so things might get different. But basically, as of the moment, what we are going to do is just look for the sound settings. We're going to go ahead and click this one right here, and then we're going to go ahead and open more volume settings. Now, once we are here, you're going to go ahead and scroll down, and you're going to look for more sound settings under the advanced tab. Now go ahead and click this one right here, and you should be seeing something like this. Now from this point forward, go ahead and click the recording, and then you're going to look for the stereo mix. So stereo mix is very important. Now I want you to go ahead and right click this one and basically enable it. Once you have enabled this one, go ahead and hit OK, and then let's go head back to our Google Meet. From this point forward, go ahead and click this more options here, click the settings, and then we're going to head over to audio and then microphone. So it is very important that we are going to use the stereo mix here as our default. So go ahead and turn this on and then close this one. And then from here, what you're going to do is turn on your microphone. Now, if you are going to click this, you should be able to see here your stereo mix. Now, from this point forward, you can go ahead and try to play some audios or whatever from here, and then the other person should be able to hear what you are playing. And yep, that is how it works, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.